I'm Allyson Songstad, and I'm the Marketing and Community Relations Specialist at Billings Federal Credit Union. Billings Federal Credit Union started in 1935 as a federally chartered credit union, and we were established to serve the federal government employees here in Billings, Montana. Since then, we have expanded our field of membership to 43 counties in Montana and 3 in northern Wyoming. We currently have 4 branches located in Billings, Montana, and in 2002 we actually introduced our first tellerless model when we expanded from 1 to more branches, and that really drove the start to looking at the tellerless technology. We wanted to build on the west end of Billings, particularly because there's so much residential growth and business growth in this area. So we built this branch with the purpose of it being tellerless, but having the ITMs and that teller assist function. So it was really important that when we built this building that we had 3 drive-through lanes so we could serve our customers coming through that drive-through lane, or if they wanted to come in and use our ITM technology, the teller assist technology, they're able to just push a button and video chat with one of our tellers at our grand or downtown locations. When we initially decided to open a branch and not have a teller line, there was some internal hesitation, but I think that we were able to get excited about the advancement in technology, being able to serve more areas of Billings and serve more members. So once we weighed those pros and cons, it was a no-brainer to build those branches. The implementation process was really smooth. When it comes to working with NextBranch, they were great. They really worked well with our team with getting everything customized for us. We had ITMs and ATM technology going on at the same time, so it was a complex project, but NextBranch was great with implementation. The member experience here at Billings Federal Credit Union has changed since going tellerless in multiple ways. One of the big ways is it's taken some of the traffic out of our downtown and grand branches because those were the only 2 with teller lines, but now with members being able to come here and to our Heights branch and use our ITMs, they are able to not have to travel across town or stand in a line downtown on a Friday. So it's really just made us be able to provide faster, better service to our membership. What surprised the team here most when we implemented the ITMs is really how much they were utilized, especially our drive-through lanes. The feedback we hear the most from members who use our lobby or drive-through ITMs and ATMs is they appreciate being able to come in and self-serve. They don't have to wait in line. They don't have to wait for someone to be available. One of our lenders, if they come into this branch, they can walk in, get what they need, quickly walk back out, or even at this location and our Heights location, they're able to stay in their car, drive through that drive-through lane. It extends our hours for them to be able to come to an ATM and get what they need, check balances, transfer, withdraw cash. So it's just really empowered our members to be able to access their finances more hours and more easily. The advice that we would give other credit unions about implementing ITMs or moving to a tellerless model is to go for it and to use NextBranch. They have been great to work with. It can be a scary transition and it's kind of going against the norm, but it really has so many positives for your membership. And when you choose a great partner like NextBranch that walks you through that implementation, that is readily available when you have any troubleshooting, that really makes it worth it. So when you have a great partner and you have your staff well-informed, well-educated, and ready to handle any of the objections, it is a smooth process and your members will appreciate having more accessibility to your products and services.